Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add hearts on Flo App. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Flo App on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Today, Inside, Secret Chats, Messages and Partner. Stay on Today and there under My Daily Insights, you're gonna see Log Your Symptoms option. Tap on it. Now you can see a lot of categories there. You're gonna have to select one with a heart on it. For example, select Sensor Touch and tap on Apply. Then you're gonna see a heart on the date. And guys, that's it. That's how you add hearts on Flo App. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.